make a video of us. I will post that in YouTube. It's running already. Nice view.
Thank you.
Mommy. Yan na. We're going to the narrow canal. Hi Kirsten, are you having fun? Yun na, look. Dana. Old houses. Dana, take a picture of us.
Wait lang. Selfie na lang na. Selfie. Okay.
No, there's another boat.
Oh.
Pwede na rin. Haba na rin yung biyahe. 90 euro. We paid 90 euro for this. Ang ganda ng boat nila, ang lapad. Ano, mas malapad yung boat nila. Ah, doon pala sila nakatayo sa kaliwa. Ah, nandito na tayo.
We're back?
Dito ba tayo galing? Hindi, no?
No.
Ah, hindi nga.
Can I touch the water?
Yeah.
What's the smell of the water, Kirsten?
I don't know.
May I see? Come,
Careful, girl.
smell mo. Kirsten, smell mo nga. You need to wash it out later.
Is it warm or cold? Is it warm or cold? Cold?
Sis opening their windows.
It's cold, baby.
Your back will go.
Oh, it's cold. Kunini.
Ang dami na namin, no? Yan na, crowded na.
You know when I get internet, it'll like come notification.
Oh, pauntog. Ah! baka mauntog sila. Yung isa nagpe-Facebook pa. Iikot pa tayo eh. Oh. It's shaking. Tunnel. Overpass. Gondola ride. Lucky girls. Yeah, Lucky Fiona, Lucky Lana, Lucky Kirsten. The experience gondola. Left hand, kasi nga nandun yung paddle sa kanan. Kaya ganyan, nandun sila sa kaliwa. No, Kirsten, maipit ka. Oh, galing mag-turn, no? Wow! Good turning, maneuvering by the... Oops! By the captain of the ship. Uy, 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 nice! Nice timing!
Ito din, oh. Yung isa, tingnan mo kahit
And now, we
masikip.
are turning to the left. Going back to the start point. Kirsten. Oops, we might hit the cement. Oh, galing, hindi nga tinamaan. Oh, galing. Good yung natin.
Siyempre, sanay na yan.
Ding, 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 ding. We are turning to the left. Oh, kami. Natatakot ako. Stern.
Mababaw lang yan, oh.
Sideways.
Pwede mag-swim.
Kristen, baka madumi yan. May mga sewer dyan eh.
Ew.
Marami ring trash dyan.
Yeah.
Banana oh. Wash mo yan mamaya ha, Kristen. Don't put in your mouth. Yan, malamig na. Nasa shadow na kami. Oh, we are close to the wall. Oops, oops, it's shaking. Oops, oops. Oh, may bahay pa nga, oh. Oh, entrance ng bahay, oh. Oh. Ganito sila eh. They have their exit point also near the water, oh. Just in case they need to bring some baggage or supplies, heavy supplies. They will use the boat and deliver it on the back side of their house. Oh, may Thailand flag pa. Thai restaurant yun eh. Philippine na. Nahaba rin yung boat ride. Okay na rin. Kesa yung kanina, di ba mami? Dun lang sa harap ng St. Michael Church. Tapos wala na. Dito mas maganda. Napapadaan pa tayo sa Grand Canal. Tsaka sa mga small canals. It's better to pay 90 kroner starting from the small canals because it offers a trip to the small and the Grand Canal, so it's better. Oh, there's a stairs, so yun nga, pag they have a taxi, maybe a boat taxi if they want to go in here to eat in the restaurant. Init. Mahigpit yung driver. Kailangan daw nasa middle lang kami. Si mami, ako naman sa more on the right side. Para sa balance. Oops, may parating ulit. Nandito na ba tayo? Wala pa. Oh, may may electric boat sa harap motorboat. Laki. Wow. Oh, banggaan to. Galing oh. Na-maneuver niya. Galing.
Galing, no?
Ayun na, yung mga supplies oh. They will deliver at the back door. Dito tayo galing ah. Ay, dito yung ano natin, inaabangan natin kanina oh, yung walang tao. We wanted to ride from this point but there was no captain of the ship here eh. So we went to another spot. Ang haba rin ng trip oh. Ayan oh, si mami oh, nagdi-deliver sila ng bed.
Oo.
Ano sa backside. Delivering yung bed. Hotel bed siguro yun. Coming using boats. Delivery. Kasi mahirap. It's not easy to use the front door because there's lots of visitors, tourists. So they use the back door near the canal. Mga window nila, yan oh, wooden lang oh. Wooden windows. Folding windows. It's like ano to eh, historical historical and so ancient houses here. Old houses.
There might be brick and stuff like that.
Kristen, wash mo yung hands mo ha. Don't put in your mouth, baka ma-infect ka. Ang dami pala rito ng dumi.
Don't
ah.
touch your face, baby, ha?
Ang baho na nga, may amoy kanal na rito eh. Kristen, I'm afraid of you. You might get sick Kristen, remember move your hands away from your face. You need to wash that.
Mouth and face. Tagal pa ata kami. Tagal pa yung endpoint Ayos steel pala to. May steel structure pala sa ilalim yan. Nabubulok na rin. Kalawang na. Splendid Venice. Splendid Venice Hotel ba yun? Oh yeah, hotel.
It's so relaxing.
I want to sleep na nga eh. No?
Relaxing.
Maybe I can sleep here.
May
I
turn.
think
Almost finish na. Kaya may kahoy dyan.
we're done.
Bumper. Ayan, dyan na tayo galing. Sa tulay na yan. Sa gilid tayo dumaan eh. We're almost done. Kaya dito na tayo galing. O, hindi pa. Wala pa yung ano, parang terrace na may mga halaman na. There's lots of tourists. Init sa binte. Umiyawa ka mga muna. Lano ako nangangalat.
Daddy.
Ay.
Ang narrator. What?
Ako nga. Wow, sweet na. Roses ba yan on the terrace namin?
It's not roses. Hotel to eh, oh.
Hotel Bella Benicia.
It's a hotel.
Ayun na, doon na tayo. Ayun na, malapit na tayo. Malapit na, almost finished na yung 90 euro.
Girls, look at me.
Remember, Kristen, wash your hands. May auntie ba ka ba?
Sa core.
Lots of people are looking at books. Ito na nga ako.
Pero baka gumagamit sila ng ano, water filtration bago mapunta dito sa
Ako alam.
kanal.
Hindi ko sure. May amoy nga yun.
Kasi pag hindi, it's so dirty.
Okay.
Parang di naman kaaya-aya. Tourist patas, di ba?
Pero hindi siya mabaho lagi. Minsan lang. Di ba?
Ecco, trovo il posto bello.
Bawal yun eh. It's not allowed yun.
So perché qua non mi piace. Non mi piace più.
Ayun na, yung terrace. Nakita ko na. Doon lang. tayo.
Carico.
Dito tayo?
Malamang. Busy dun eh.
Io?
Okay.
Okay, finish.
Mister.
Saan na yung